Hello guys, welcome to yet another vlog of the Maverick Vlogs. Today the purpose of preparing this video is to show you the new helmet which I have purchased from Bikester Global, and it's a AXOR Chrome Tech helmet. And this AXOR Chrome Tech helmet is yet to be unboxed, and as soon as I am able to unbox the helmet, I'll show you guys how it looks. I purchased a medium size helmet, and let us unbox it. Got rid of this. And so now I am quite close to the box of glory, which is going to be my companion on my sojourns through the hills, through the sea coasts, and through the desert roads. So welcome to the family. I'm welcoming the helmet to the family. And wow, look the way it has been packed. It's so beautifully packed. It's like a bag which they have given along with the helmet. You can simply put the helmet inside the bag and you can put it on your shoulders, and you can go anywhere holding your helmet on your back. And now let us see what exactly is there. The thing which we were waiting for such a long time. For the last 13 or 14 days I'd been waiting for this helmet to come out, and finally, voila, the helmet is out. Ooh. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just have a look at it. The way this beauty looks. And just have a look. What a beauty it is. The AXOR X, and on one side gold embellishments, and on one side blue embellishments. Gold, blue, and then the back. Wow. Wanna go for some of the cinematics of this AXOR Chrome Tech? Here they are. It's having a pin lock visor, and which is very useful when you are riding in foggy conditions. And this was exactly the problem why I had to go for this full face helmet, because the earlier helmet which I was having was not having this pin lock visor, and owing to this I think the problem of fog will be solved. And one more thing which I was very enthused was this chin guard. Chin guard is nothing but a kind of a curtain which is given closer to your chin, and if you are having this curtain nearer to your chin, then it makes your life much easier, because the air ingress inside the helmet while you are riding at high speeds above 80 kmph is very much, and then the helmet becomes noisy, and you can't ride for long distances if your helmet is too noisy, if the wind blast is too much. So this curtain was a big requirement for the long sojourns which I was planning to go for. And this is here, the helmet and the chin curtain. And now I'll just put my mic also somewhere down here. I'll just adjust it somehow, and I'll make a separate video of how I'd be adjusting my mic and other things. So inside the box comes this helmet, and along with the helmet there are certain things which also come packaged within the helmet casing, and that being a simple slip which is that of AXOR. It is a sticker AXOR which shows the AXOR helmets. Other than that, there is one stickers which are showing the blood group sign of O positive, A positive, B negative, B positive, and all sorts of signs. And this is something which is a very useful accessory of the helmet, because if you are moving at some other place which is away from your town, you are moving on the highway, and God forbidden if you meet with an accident, in that case if you have applied the sticker on your helmet which shows the blood group which you are having, then in that case it becomes much easier for people to hospitalize you, and at the same time to arrange for the blood which is required. So, and there is also a very big spoiler which has been given for giving bike the aerodynamics which is required, and it will just get stuck like this around here, and the final look would be somewhat like this. I'd also like to introduce you to some more features which this helmet shows, that being it having ECE R2205 certification, which is the European standard of helmet certification, and DOT certificate, which is the American standard, as well as the ISI mark. So it's having all the essential things which are required to be certified in a helmet, and all this package is being provided at a very reasonable cost of just 5,000 bucks. And if you have a look at this helmet, you will realize that it is bang for a buck. So I think I have made enough references about the helmet and the way it looks, and rest will all depend upon this rides which I make and the stories I create by wearing this helmet. And now guys, the final take. I'm just gonna wear the helmet and show you to all how it looks and the final appearance, and if you might like to buy it, it will all depend on the way it looks. Okay, as far as I can feel, it is a medium-sized helmet which I had called for, and it is quite compact. My chins are getting pushed by the thick cushioning which has been provided within the helmet, and it is totally compact. I don't find any way air can enter if I have closed the visor of the helmet, and it is kind of soundproof also, because as of now my sound is resounding inside the helmet. That means so much of windproofing has been done in this helmet that when I close the visor and when I open the visor, there is lots of difference between the sound, like echoing inside the helmet. So I think this is the look which you will be getting. Welcome you all to the new vlogs which you are going to view with my new helmet on. So welcome to the family of the Maverick Vlogs. This is the Maverick Vlogs signing off. Stay tuned for the new videos which are going to come on my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching.